Welcome to Learn You and Me. Here we have item and its respective rate per quantity and quantity. Here you can get total amount by multiplying rate into quantity. Rate into quantity, then fill it down. Okay. Then for total or grand total, you just apply some formula. Okay. You will get total amount 185 of all the items. Okay. Now what if I want to get this total amount using single formula? Okay, so which formula you can use? So that formula is sum product. Okay, here you can see array 1 array 2, which means range 1 range 2. Okay, you can choose as many as range you want. So I want to sum product rate. This is my first array, then quantity, this is my second array. Okay, then I will press enter. As you can see, I got 185, which is total amount, grand total amount. Okay, using a single formula, which is sum product. What this sum product function do? This internally multiplies each pair of array. Okay, 3 into 10, 30, 5 into 6. Then after multiplying each pair, then it sums the output. Okay, like this, and here 185 is outputted. Now it is very important to choose array or range of equal dimensions. Here I will show you. It's equal to sum product. Then here this dimension is 1 column and 6 rows. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now here this dimension is 1 column and 3 rows. So this will give error since range dimension is not same. Okay, now you can use sum product as an alternative of Sumif. Here I will show you sum product. Okay, now here I want to sum quantities. Okay, where rate is less than 4. Apply one bracket. Here this rate is less than 4. Okay, then second array will be quantity. Now pressing enter, as you can see it is giving 0. Reason is that this is getting evaluated to true and false. Okay, if I just hit F9, you can see it is getting evaluated to true and false. Okay, first one is true, second one is false. Okay, now to make it 1 and 0, you need to just put double minus. Okay, now enter. As you can see here, you can see in red column less than 4. Okay, this one and this one and this one means this. Okay, so total is 19, and here it is giving 19. Okay, now if you see this, just you can see it is got evaluated to 1010. Okay, now this is array 1. Now sum product will be this array and this array, so each will multiply 1 into 10 10, 0 into 6. Okay, 0 into 9 0, 1 into 6 6, 1 into 3 3. Like this it will give product output, then sum it. Okay, after this it will make it 19. Okay, suppose here I want to get total amount of those items whose rate is less than 4. Okay, now here you can see this should be this one and this one, and answer is, you can see 45. Sorry, 45. So these products items rate are less than 4, and if we multiply this 3 into 10, 2 into 6, 1 into 3, we will get and submit, then we will get 45. Now can we get this output using some product formula? Yes, we can. Now here condition is same as previous one, so this we want some product, only those columns, only those in which rate is less than 4. Okay, so just I am copying this. Now this first one give array of 1 0, array of 1 and 0. Okay, now this C1 is quantity, so we need rate column. Okay, now we can put rate in the last. Okay, now press enter. As you can see, it is giving 45. Okay. Here you can see this rate is less than 4, and here this one is less than 4, and here this is one is less than 4. Here you can see 45. Okay, both are matching. So this is how you can also apply criteria in some product. Okay, now if you supply some product with only one array, then it will just some numbers in that array. Here you can see 12. Okay, here you can see this is 12 here, and this is 24. If you apply some formula, then this will also give some formula. So only one array supplied with only one array, then it will sum those values. Okay, now here in this formula, it is first multiplying 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 9. Okay, then 1 plus 4, then 9, 1 plus 4 plus 9, then it is giving 40. Now here in this case, it is multiplying first pairs 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 into 3, then summing those product values. Okay, and giving 26. Here in this case, array, first array is of 2 columns, second array is also of 2 columns. Okay, now in this case, here in first array, this will multiply 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3. Okay, now this will give 14. Okay, now in the second array, 1 into 2 2, 2 into 2 4, 3 into 2 6, it will give 12. 14 plus 12 is equal to 26, and it is giving 26. So this is how some product works. I hope you understood some product formula.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then please subscribe, like, comment and share.